I did check everything before I went out tonight, and everything was still tight. No issues there. Check the brakes. Brakes are good. Handlebars were a little loose last night, so I tightened those up. Those are now good. The kickstand was kind of crooked, so I fixed that. And let's go this way. As you can see, it pretty much stops on a dime. And these aren't even hydraulic brakes, these are mechanical. So that should tell you something. So far though, pretty sweet. I'm also gonna go over here and get away from this car. So everything's pretty solid. Tonight, this evening, after work I took a nap because I was up late editing the video that you guys saw today. When I got done with my nap, I ordered the 35 amp controller. I kept calling it a 30 amp controller in the video, but it's actually a 35 amp controller. And then I also ordered the battery bag that's going to hold the battery that's in the basket right now, the rear basket. The battery is going to be relocated to the front, so the bag I got goes up on the front handlebars. It's pretty neat. I forgot to say that I did check the tire pressure too, so everything's good. Back wheel's good. Motor's not getting hot. I check it after every ride. But yeah, I got the battery bag. It's gonna hold the battery or batteries, depending. And I got a 35 amp controller, which is a little bit bigger, so hopefully it still fits in the compartment down in the, you know, where I have the one right now. I do need to probably swap seats though. I do not, if I'm gonna go for long rides, I'm not gonna use this one. Pretty much going the exact same route. Actually, I could go down here. Gotta remember to take my thumb off the throttle. And take it easy on sidewalks because there's not a lot of room for air, and who knows what's in the middle of them. It did storm. Actually, I think it was just a really heavy rain earlier, but the ground's dry, so. And I'm highly considering, once I get everything sorted out, getting two 52 volt batteries and running them parallel if I can. Depends on if they'll fit in my bag or not. If I can get that many, then I'll be able to do double the range, which means I can basically leave my house, go anywhere on my bike, and be good. Now, I can't go down the highway. I mean, I technically could go down one of the main roads here, which is like a 50 to 60 mile per hour road, depending on where you're at. That I could go down because there's a side place, and that's really the only way you can get to half the stuff around here, unfortunately. Hopefully they'll improve that as we go. Let's go down this road. Alright, this might be where I lose it, because I think this is all the way uphill. .7. Oh, good. I don't know if the motor is starting to flatten off. I haven't taken this a really long distance yet, like from full to empty or anything like that. So I don't know how good it performs. Yeah, see that part right there? Going up the hill and stuff, that's gonna improve dramatically when I get my new controller. And then when I get my battery, it's gonna be even better than that. I should be able to do probably a steady 18 to 20 miles per hour going up small hills like that instead of 10. You definitely can't make it up hills without pedaling on the stock motor. So this is definitely a huge upgrade, which is what I want to do. It brings more of you to me. I get to make more videos about all kinds of stuff because I'm all about modifying stuff. That's what I do. I like to tinker. That's why I have a 3D printer. That's why I'm into coding and design, and I got a lot of hobbies, if you haven't noticed. And on these little bikes, you really gotta watch for bumps and turns, so you gotta take it easy. You know, I'm not gonna hot rod this everywhere, but I know what roads are good. I drive up and down this road every single day pretty much, so I don't have to worry about too much stuff going around here. Plus I want to stay close to home so that if I do have to walk home, it's not a long distance. And the moon's really pretty tonight. But I'm not gonna serenade y'all. But it's like a hazy, cloudy moon. And with it being a school night now, and the numbers of you know what going up, there's hardly any cars out here, which is a little creepy, but also great for riding your bike. And that, oh, that was scary. I almost ran into a damn deer. That'll be good for the video. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. Don't worry. I scared him. Sad. But it's stuff like that you gotta watch for. Point proven. This will make the video even better, so good. Alright, well that's enough for me tonight. Why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up down there for the deer I just avoided. And comment down below what you would do if you almost ran into a deer, because I almost hit myself. But luckily, I have tested everything and everything works great. That's all I gotta say.